It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS. Always pushing the envelope, man.
Dude, I gotta give a shout out to you real quick. Are we on bookkeeping?
We're out on Facebook right now.
Nice. So I'm so excited to see you because in 20 my New Year's resolution for 2020 was to get my finances impeccable, and I had a bunch of questions that I was also like ashamed that at this level of my business I was too afraid to just go out and ask, right? And then I like literally prayed, and then I got on the phone with Michael Dalkey. I know I've already told this. I'll give you like the nutshell version and everybody here, but he's like, I'm like, I need somebody to help me with my finances. And I'm looking around. He's like, Dan Plata. And then as soon as we got on the phone and like, you helped me get everything reconciled in both of the businesses. And I'm literally getting my P&L statements every month, and I'm waiting for it. I'm excited. And now I know what's happening in my business, and it's all because of you. And I'm so incredibly thankful, dude. You're the shit.
I love it. I appreciate it. I remember, so Dalkey sent me a note. You had sent me a message like a week before that. And you're like, dude, your shit's on fire. Like your bookkeeping content shit's on fire. And I was like, oh my God, Keith Kalfas told me my shit's good. Like I was at my folks' place. I was up in northern Wisconsin, my folks' place for the week. And I was like, you guys, you know who Keith is, but Keith is the shit. And he likes my stuff. And then like a week later, you're like, hey, by the way, I need help with bookkeeping. And Dalkey told me to talk to you. And I was like, double. Like I get to work with Keith on a regular basis. My life is complete.
And then a few months later, we were in Minnesota, and I came to your house, and we shot a few videos.
You climb my damn tree, and like a freaking monkey. You got in the backyard, and you're up that tree before I can shake your hand. You're just doing Keith stuff.
We're gonna find him on ridiculousness, aren't we? Falling out of the tree,
man. So I had a what type of tree was that? Starts with an M.
Maple?
No. God damn.
Magnolia.
Yeah, it's like beautiful big magnolia tree, and then it got the disease where they like start
shed their leaves.
No, it didn't shed its leaves. That's called like just living in the north. They all shed their leaves. But it got scale. Scale, and so it was like it was just pussing everywhere. It had
white sappy stuff all over the place.
Yeah, it had its own like little sense of biology. Like it was its own ecosystem. The tree, when you stepped out on the deck, you just heard. And you'd see flies and bees freaking everywhere. Like it was kind of cool for a minute. And then you're just like, this is just obnoxious. And the deck is all sticky and the pathway is all sticky. So we had just started like trimming it, but I just did it with like a sawzall and a pole saw. And so it was literally perfectly built for a guy to just like, because there's knobs the whole way up the tree from where I cut these branches off. And Keith walks in the backyard. He's like, Dan, and he's like, just kidding. Hold on 1 second. And he's like, he's up that tree in like 3 seconds. He's like, I can't walk past the tree like that. There's steps the whole way up. And he was at the top of the tree. And what's your wife's name? Ashley. Yeah, Ashley's looking at me like he does this everywhere we go. It was so priceless. Like, yep. Like if there's a tree, he's gonna climb it. You can't take it out of him.
If you go down to the steel booth, there's a tree in the middle.
There's a tree down there in the middle.
Dude, I'm about to get kicked out of here.
Yeah.
Well, you do it tomorrow at 2:00, and they'll kick you out because that's when the show ends.
Yeah.
I think I got to do it. We got to get it on Instagram, bro.
Yeah.
That was not my idea.
There was a guy up there yesterday. Could have been you.
Yeah.
Could have been you.
So what are they going to look? You go down there at 2:00 tomorrow. What are they going to do? Kick you out? Hey, you still got to climb the tree.
It's like double jeopardy.
Yeah,
I want to do it. As long as I got a harness on, I'm going to do it, bro.
Oh, they got plenty of harnesses and all that.
Yeah, just act like you're the guy that's supposed to do that. Like, oh, I'm filling in for the dude because he said he had something going on. Yeah. So I got to head up there.
A turf toe or something. You can't climb.
Corey, what kind of insurance complications we got going on here that we should be thinking about?
You guys are talking about scaling trees. You got a work comp guy here. Like, what are you talking? You said harness, and my blood pressure instantly just went down. I was like, thank God the guy, he's not just doing this with his hands and feet.
Yeah.
Man, oh man, you know how to make a guy sweat over here. No, I'm teasing. I want to see you scale a tree too. I don't write.
We'll get that on video, I'm sure. That'll get audio. Video.
Actually, we did Stan Genetic. We did a video at his house, and we went up a tree, and I brought some harnesses and gear, and it got like 1 million views, and people are dissecting every little thing that they thought was right or wrong. And it's like, I just can't post the stuff anymore.
Yeah. Everybody's got something to say about it. Everybody's got something to say about it. We did like our pros versus Joes videos when we were being just dumbasses and I was Joe and Andy was the pro. And man, like the freaking ladders we were using, somebody had something to say about, oh, you're using that ladder, like you call yourselves a pro. I was like, oh my God, like it's a funny video, dude. Don't make it something it doesn't need to be.
Yeah, I mean, we've made 2,500 YouTube videos, and I got down to the path where I felt paralyzed, where I couldn't even say or do anything. And at some point, I had to just, as long as they're not showing anything unsafe, it's
got to get past them.
Yeah. So
everybody got something to say.
Well, it was great hanging out with you guys. I really, really appreciate it. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Nice to meet you.
No, I'm handing the bump.
Yeah. And all you guys online, thank you so much for having me on for a couple minutes here. Thanks, man. You changed my life, bro. Love you, bro.
Likewise.
Come back up. Don't be shy.
Thank you. Thank you. Later.
We'll be here.
Hey, we don't want to see you up here now. Don't be climbing on our stuff.
Yeah. Actually, that'd be you could make a whole lap around this damn thing.
Oh, he went to